How to turn off Wi-Fi calling on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Cellular as shown. Scroll down and tap on Wi-Fi calling below My Number. Here, turn off the Wi-Fi calling on this iPhone option at the top. You have now successfully turned off Wi-Fi calling on your phone. You can turn this feature back on from here whenever you want. Note that if it is turned on, when you join a network, information about the country where the network connection is made may be sent to your provider. For short code calls, the town or city may be sent for call routing purposes. Following these steps, you can easily turn off Wi-Fi calling on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.